Good morning, sixth graders. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd. And today we started out by writing in our planner, reminding us to read for 20 minutes every day. Make sure that you're studying your spelling words. You should have already turned in last week's words written in cursive. And then I assigned that again for this week's word. So you need to do week 5. Spelling words written in cursive, and send me that by Friday, please. It's due Friday. And then also you can keep studying. I think I loaded them on Spelling City. Maybe I better make sure. You should be able to study them on Spelling City. Yeah, I did. I put a batch in. You're good. Yeah, grade 5, week 5, so I know I have sixth grade in there too. And the last thing today was we got out our elaborated on personal narratives, and we did a lesson on revising again. This time though, we revised with a group and we used the say back method. And so you're going to have, if you're doing this at home, you're going to have to do this with a parent or a brother or sister. And basically what you do is, as the writer, you will read your work aloud 2 times. So that's, you've already had a first draft ready. Yesterday I taught you how to elaborate on it, or make sure that you're adding in your concrete words, sensory words, action words. And then so you have that, your newest copy in your hand, and that's what you read out loud twice. Make sure you pause between the readings. Read it in a loud voice. Read slowly enough that people can understand you, and read it with expression. This is your story, so you should have lots of feelings about it and express that in the way you read it. You would read your story better than anybody else would, because you remember your thoughts and feelings as it was happening. And then your listener, so you can show mom or dad or brother or sister, is doing this for you. During the first read, they just listen attentively. They don't have to write anything or say anything. And then the second time you read it, they need to jot down answers to these 2 questions. First of all, what do I like about what the reader said? And it's not just, I like it, or good job. You want to make sure that you say exactly what you like. If your listener needs to say the exact words that you chose that they liked. I really liked how you described your mom's dancing as looking like a butterfly. That was a nice simile using figurative language. Or, well, also, so you tell what you like, and then the listener also needs to say what they want to know more about. So pick something out from what the writer said that they need to elaborate on. How did you go from hedgehogs to giraffes? I don't understand what happened in between there. Can you tell me more about that? So that's all the listener has to do. As the writer, you take that feedback and you go back to your draft that you just read from, and you revise it again. You add in, you change words, you change your descriptions, and make your writing even better. And that was it for our lesson today. We just worked on revising in small groups. I guess that's it for that kind of a lesson. We also got out our sentence writing packet, one that looks like this. And I guess I should have maybe shown you. This packet is one we worked out of today. I don't know that it matters a lot that you work out of it because you're not working in a small group, but there is a place to write notes from what the person gives you as feedback. You could jot down notes in that packet. So anyway, the writing packet. The last time we worked on this, we did the jump shot and have a basketball tournament Saturday sentences. And you remember, you can check them at the bottom. Today we flipped it over and we had 2 complex sentences. My dog barked at me when I refused to throw her favorite toy. Although I prefer to eat Mexican food, I absolutely love to eat Andrea's Pizza. We found the subordinating conjunctions, and we circled them, and then we underlined the two separate sentences. And the directions say we're supposed to break those big complex sentences, so we broke each of them into two smaller sentences. And I couldn't remember if Andrea's Pizza was called Andrea's Pizza or Andrea's Place. Then the kids told me it's just called Andrea's, so that's why it's all boogered up at the bottom there. And that's all you have to do in this packet. So write a couple sentences and revise your essay further. It's due on Friday. Your cursive spelling is due on Friday. You have a spelling test Friday. Make sure you read every single day. You can also be working on Typetastic. You don't have an account for that, but you certainly can go on there and practice your typing skills. And that's it for today. Have a good day.